In this video, we will see how to make animation like this in Canva, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. Open Canva and click here on Create Design, click Custom Size, and then enter the dimensions that you want. I will enter 1080 by 720. Click Create New Design. Our canvas is now ready. On the left-hand side, click here on Elements and search for a background image. Since we are animating a walking man, I will search for road. Click here on Graphics. Scroll below and look for a suitable background. This one is good. Drag it and place it here. You can resize it according to your needs. Now, search for a man. I have only entered man. You can also type walking man for better results. Click on Graphics. Go here on Filters, scroll below, and check Animated. We now have animated figures here. This walking man looks ideal. Drag it into our design. Resize and place it at a suitable location. Now we need to move the man. Keeping the object selected, click here on Animate. On the left, click Create an Animation. Now hold the Shift key on your keyboard and drag the object using the mouse, creating a path for the motion. After creating a path, you will find all these options on the left. Go to Movement Styles and select Steady. You can adjust the speed of the motion by dragging here. If you want to define the path again, click Delete Path and follow the same steps to create a new path. Let's click Done. To play the animation, you will find the Play option on top. Click on it. You can see we have successfully made a short animated video in Canva. If you want to know how to make a 2D animated talking character for free, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.